What's going on, guys? It's Arjun here and welcome back to my channel. What if I were to tell you that for the price of one Starbucks latte per day, you could retire a millionaire? That's right, for $3.65 per day, you could retire a millionaire. Are you listening to me now? Using two simple things, I'm going to show you how this is possible. First, what many people call the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. It's this amazing thing that can take a small amount and turn it into a large amount. And the second thing is time. It's the one thing that we never seem to have enough of. I'm going to show you how investing $110 a month or $3.65 a day could turn you into a millionaire. What you're going to do is invest that money each month into an S&P index fund. Before I get into all the math, let me explain what the S&P 500 is. Many people think that investing in the stock market is a lot like gambling, and in a lot of cases it is. But investing in an S&P index fund is one of the lowest risk investments possible. What the S&P 500 index is a collection of America's most profitable and largest companies, and some of the largest companies in the world. We're talking about Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and so many more. The S&P 500, since its inception almost 100 years ago, has returned approximately 10% per year. This return, coupled with enough time, is what's going to turn you into a millionaire. An 18-year-old making minimum wage can retire a millionaire at the age of 65 using the power of compound interest and time. Now I'm going to show you the math and pull up a compound interest calculator so you can see for yourself. Your initial investment is $0. Your monthly contribution is $110. Your years till retirement is 47 years, assuming you're starting at 18 years old. And for our annual return, we're going to put 10%, the average return for the S&P. And then we're going to compound this annually. And as you can see, your return is greater than $1 million. The total amount of money you've invested over 47 years is just over $60,000. And at the end, you have more than $1.15 million in your bank account. Now that's just one example of how powerful compound interest and time can be together. If you enjoy this video and want to learn more about investing in business, comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and head on over to the next video.